Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Uche and I'm a graphic designer. In this space, I'll be giving you knowledge on getting started in graphic design. So, what is graphic design? The goal is to understand what graphic design is and what it is not. So, graphic design is made up of two words, graphic and design. Graphic can be defined as visual composition made up of drawings, photographs, numbers, and so on, either digital or printed. What is design? Design can be defined as a planned process or concept that bears requirements and conditions that must be met in order to solve a problem. So now we have known the definition. What isn't design? Design is not only about knowing the tools. Design is not aesthetic look. A design might be beautiful, but if there is no function, no communicated solution, it isn't design. Design that doesn't communicate and not easily understood probably needs refinement or should be trashed. It isn't design. Design that places good looks above communication and function isn't design. This is because the main purpose of design is defeated already. What does designers do? Designers solve problems. A designer will take on tasks, evaluate the conditions, research, study, and come up with an idea, develop the idea, test the thesis, and then specify the solution. Designers evolve. The design industry is a lucrative one, but also a highly competitive one. A designer must continuously learn, study, and improve his knowledge and skill. Designers relate. Designers are flexible, up-to-date, and open-minded. They collaborate with different bodies in order to create the best possible solutions, which can also help add to a quality portfolio. So now, what is graphic design? Graphic design is problem solving. It is communication. Majorly, it is the right usage of words, shapes, images, and color to communicate an idea which can be easily understood. It can also be defined as the right usage of design principles and visual elements to properly communicate solution or solutions of a given task. So what are the types of graphic design? Graphic design is just a general term, so let us know the types. There is brand identity design. Brand identity design involves every element ranging from logo, color palette, stationaries, messaging, strategy, and so on that helps represent a brand. This is an essential part of graphic design. Here's an example I got from Facebook. Number 2, art and illustration design. This is the use of fine art elements like the stroke, shape, layout, color, and so on to properly communicate an idea. It appears as a painting in most cases. This is an example I got from Google. Number 3, packaging design. This is an aspect of graphic design that deals majorly with the looks of your product. It uses form, structure, imaging, colors, and so on to make a product retail ready. These are examples I got from Facebook. This design was done by Adams Bernard. This was gotten from Pinterest. And this was gotten from GDA, Graphic Design Academy, a group on Facebook. UI UX design. This aspect of design focuses on the looks, layout, functionality, and ease of users' interaction on a digital product such as websites, mobile applications, and so on. So here's an example I got also from Facebook. So there is a dark version or the dark mode, and there's a light version or the light mode. Ads and marketing design. This is the teaming up of design and marketing to communicate an appealing and compelling message to get users to buy a particular product or service. Publication design. This design aspect aims at generating layout for the communication of ideas in magazines, newspapers, and so on. The aim is to present an appealing and reader-friendly message. So this was a design done by Xenos Concepts, and this was gotten from GDA. Motion design. This is the part of design that communicates the brand tone and style better. It makes use of motions, transitions, animations, and effects to best set the brand tone and style. Environmental design. This aspect of design aims to facilitate a good relationship by the use of space that are functional and aesthetic between people and their surrounding environment. So this is where we are going to come to an end for today. Our next topic is going to be design process, elements, and principles. We are getting to know the basics. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned on this channel as I'll be dropping tips to get you started on your graphic design journey.